Weed killer herbicides can be extremely handy for lawn maintenance, as they can help control weeds like crabgrass, dandelions, ragweed, and other common weeds that easily pop up around your lawn. When deciding which is the best weed killer for your lawn, be sure to check that the products are suited to your climate, grass, and weeds. Among the numerous weed control products, today we will present the best weed killer for lawn that is well researched, evaluated on many factors, easy and ready to use, and you will get the best value for the price. Let's start. Roundup for Lawns 1. A ready-to-use all-in-one weed killer for lawns. One solution for crabgrass, dandelions, clover, nutsedge, northern grasses, and over 250 weeds. Roundup for Lawns 1 is a formula that kills weeds, not the lawn. It is especially effective on hard-to-kill weeds. Its new extended wand makes it easier than ever to spot-treat lawn weeds without bending over. This fast-acting formula starts killing on contact and kills weeds down to the root, so they don't come back. In addition, it's rainproof in as little as 3 hours. Roundup for Lawns 1 is a simple step towards a beautiful, weed-free lawn. Order from the description below.